Welcome to yet another session of Advanced Management Accounting. On behalf of Manifested Publishers and on behalf of myself as Mr. Mariga, feel welcome, and I am happy to be your lecturer as always. Now, we were talking about inventory control decisions, and in previous sessions we have talked about the various models of inventory. Today I want us to summarize and summarize this particular topic by talking about what something we refer to as the applications of strategic management decisions in inventory control. Strategic management decisions in inventory what? Control. And the first item I want to talk about is an inventory purchasing system known as what? Just in time. Known as the just in time inventory system. What is just in time? Now, just in time inventory system is a management strategy where an organization will order inventories only when they are sure of demand. Only when they are sure of what? Demand. So this is an inventory system where the organization seeks to match raw materials with what? With production. They want to match raw material with production or demand with sales. Okay. This particular inventory system was developed by who? By Toyota Production or Toyota Company in Japan a few years back. Okay. The advantages of management of just-in-time inventory system, number one, is that you don't have what? You reduce your holding what? Cost. Why? You don't have minimum what? Minimum or closing inventory. Remember we are saying under just-in-time you match what is demanded or what is going to be used with what you're going to order, or what is going to be sold with what you're going to do what? To order. So there is no minimum what? Stock, and there is no closing stock. Okay. So the lack of closing stock or a minimum demand ensures that there is no what? There is no, or there is reduced holding cost. There is reduced holding cost. The second advantage of a just-in-time inventory system is that it reduces wastage of inventories. It reduces wastage of what? Inventories. Why? Because there is no what? There is no overstocking of inventories. There is no overstocking. So wastage is reduced. Number three, or the third advantage of that, is that you will ensure as an organization that you optimally use your resources. So it ensures there is optimum use of resources. There is optimum use of resources. Then some of the disadvantages of just-in-time inventory system is that it relies so much on the supplier effectiveness and efficiency. Why? Remember, you're ordering what can only be sold, or what can be sold, or you're ordering raw materials according to what is going to be produced. So for you to be able to order what is going to be sold or what is going to be produced, or the raw materials of what is going to be consumed during production, it is very, very important that you are in contact with the supplier, and the supplier is very, very what? Efficient. In that, if the supplier delays or is inefficient, They will affect your operations as a what? As a company. Number 2, it may lead to stock out. What do I mean stock out? Now, in case you have an urgent order that you have received, okay, it is almost impossible to handle that particular what? Order. Why? Because you don't have inventories, or you don't have a safety stock you have maintained as an organization. You have to wait for your supplier to do what? To supply. So that may lead to what? Stock out, or orders are not able to be done what? Or urgent orders are not able to be met. It also will lead to increased what? Ordering what? Cost. Increased ordering what? Cost. All right. That is the just-in-time system. That is a just-in-time system where you've said you match your what? Your orders with your demand, or you buy inventory upon and only when you are sure on what? Demand. Now, the next item that we will talk about under this particular subtopic is material resource planning. So see you in the next lesson where we talk about material resource planning. Goodbye.